Huge new beauty breakthrough. It's patent-pending, FDA-cleared LED anti-aging light device. So what it's going to do, aside from a 60-day unconditional money-back guarantee, is optimize your skin's collagen, meaning we're gonna make more, which means we're gonna have a plumper, fuller look to our skin. Clinically proven to just do all of that. Kathy Wopu was just on Extra.
Yes, I was.
Look who's back. Isn't she fabulous?
It was actually representing this product. You're so sweet. It's so good to see you.
Look, your skin even looks better now.
Well, I finally finished the full 12 weeks.
Look at her skin.
Last time that I saw you, I was only at the 2-month mark. This is the only FDA-cleared device that is clinically proven and shown to really give you the results. It's gonna plump up your skin's own natural collagen, your elastin, which plumps up the skin from underneath and makes you look radiant, but it also smooths out all of the imperfections. 15 minutes a day. Take a look at these results, because this is what blew me away. This is my troublesome area. I think a lot of us are.
Oh, absolutely.
Once I got rid of my bangs, I could finally see them, and I'm like, ooh, there you are. So I started using this. That was the first area that I noticed it as well. But what it does is it works to actually plump up your skin's own natural collagen and elastin. So this isn't what any cream can do. We don't want you to change your routine. Love your creams. Now this one, if you notice underneath her eyes, sort of like the puffiness, what this does is it just kind of fills that out. It smooths that out.
That hollowness.
And then also that nasal labial fold, how it just kind of brings it and makes it a little bit fresher. This is the time of year when we start taking all those selfies, all those pictures. This is one of my favorites too, particularly around the eye area. If you notice around that eye area, really, when we talk about skin smoothness, that's the area.
Oh,
right there.
Look at that.
They actually use little silicone beads to go in and actually measure the depth of all of the wrinkles, and then they measure them again at the end of 12 weeks. 100% of the people had results. Now here's what it does. So this is, it has 72 red LED and infrared lights that go into the skin. The infrared is the one that goes down deep below the skin. The red does a great job on the surface. That's gonna give you your great benefits there. But then the infrared is the one that goes below, plumps up the skin's own natural collagen and elastin. That's what you see represented here. And that's what fills in those lines and those wrinkles. So this does what no cream can do. When you look at the back of this too, Amy, you'll see that there are actually 72 lights. You can't see 72 lights. No. You can't see the infrared. You can only see the red LED lights. But this treats your entire face.
See that? There's so much to talk about it, and there's only 500 left. The point being is this is a treatment that has been trusted, recommended, and used by doctors for many, many years. Why? Because light therapy, what it does is it's working below the surface of the skin, what topical solutions and creams can't do. So this light is penetrating there, and it's almost zapping your collagen and saying, make more, faster. So as we age, what do you notice? The hollowness in your eyes? Wouldn't you love to plump that back up? How many of us are looking to get volume back into our skin? Loss of volume is nose to mouth line. This is doing that for you. So again, creams are great, but they're topical. Let's go deeper, and that's what LED does. This is the only one that has 72 lights. This is the only one that is FDA cleared. Retro company manufactures for doctors' offices. The only place you can get Retro, and Kathy was just on Extra, with this product is here at HSN.
It also has a huge celebrity following now on Instagram.
Oh, really?
You can check that out, so it's kind of fun to see that. But this is also done, these are clinical studies, and the difference is a clinical study means it has to have measurable results in a lab. Look at what this happened. 100% showed a measurable improvement in this skin elasticity. That's that bounce like we're used to when we're younger. 100% experienced a measurable improvement in the skin smoothness. This is the one where they actually did the little silicone replicas around the eye area, really targeting sort of that crow's feet area. 100% had a measurable improvement. 92% had a measurable improvement in the skin's firmness. That bounce back, it's what we really, really want to like. That's what helps to kind of plump that out. And then 89% had a measurable reduction in the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles also, which is typically what we think about our creams for, but this actually goes beneath the surface, and that's what makes it different. I know we also offer an extended return policy with this, and it really is that perfect time to try it. If you're looking for something, we all have that, I call it mom guilt. You know, I will buy for my kids. You can tell me something costs whatever, I'll buy it for my kids, but we never take that time for us.
I know, and this is just a couple minutes every day.